Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix WhatsApp message not sending. If you're using any iPhone or any Android phone that you're facing the issue that your WhatsApp app is not sending any message, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to simply open your settings app, and here you have to make sure that you have a stable and strongest network connection. That might be your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can also try to switch between your Wi-Fi cellular data, or you can try to enable and disable your airplane mode up to 4 or 5 times to make a quick refresh with all of your network settings. Then go back from here. You have to open your browser, and you have to try to open any website to check if your internet is working or not. So I'm gonna open any random website from here to check if your internet is working or not. If your internet is not working, so try to switch between your internet or try to connect with a different network. After switching your network, you just have to go ahead to your settings app, go to general, go to VPN and device management, and you have to keep in mind that you are not connected to any kind of VPN. After disconnecting your VPN, go to App Store and go for search and simply search for WhatsApp. And you just have to make sure that your WhatsApp app is up to date. There's no pending update for your WhatsApp app. If you find this, try to update your app. So after updating, your issue will be fixed. If it's still not fixed your issues, you can try to make a forced restart with your iPhone to fix minor glitches. Now to do that, you have to quickly press and release your volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button, and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. So once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo, and once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, you just have to unlock your phone, and here you have to retry it to send message to anyone to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed your issue, so you have to open your browser, go for search, and you have to search for down detector, and you just have to check if your WhatsApp is working well in your server or not. So you just have to try to allow to use your location for your this web. So open the first website from here and just tap on the search option in the top right and just search for a WhatsApp. And you just have to make sure that WhatsApp is not down in your country, region, or in your server. If you see that the WhatsApp app is down, so you have to try to retry in up to 1 hour, 2 hours, or sometimes it might take 24 hours. So you just have to wait. Or if your WhatsApp app is not down, so you have a simple method. You just have to open your settings app, go for general, go for iPhone storage here. Just look for your WhatsApp app, and you have to try to offload your app, or you can also try to delete your app. So in case of offloading or deleting, if there will be any bug or any malware with your WhatsApp app, it will be fixing this step and you'll not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.